Hello students, myself Deepika Prajapati from Computer Department, and today we are going to learn about a quick short example. So let's start as a quick short example with its algorithm step. So first, quick sort. Quick sort is a famous sorting algorithm. It sorts the given data item in a ascending order. So it uses the idea of divide and conquer approach, and it follows recursive algorithm. Next, how does quicksort work? So quicksort follow a recursive algorithm. It divides the given array into two sections using a partitioning element called as a pivot. So pivot is nothing but, as we discuss about in our theory based lecture, pivot contain as a find correct position of data. The division performed in such a that all the elements to the left side of pivot are smaller than pivot, and all the elements to the right side of pivot are the greater than pivot. It means the data are divided in two parts. Consider as a I and j. So I is nothing but a left hand side data of the pivot, and j is considered as a right hand side data of the pivot. So after dividing the array in two sections, the pivot is set as its correct position. Then sub-array are sorted separately by applying quicksort algorithm recursively. Here this is nothing but given a quicksort example. So consider the following array has to be sorted in ascending order using quicksort algorithm. So here first 25, 10, 30, 15, 20 and 28. These all data are stored in a memory as an array. So these all data contain as a separate index size as a of 0, it means array of 0, array of 1, array of 2, array of 3, array of 4 and array of 5. So now let's start. Quicksort algorithm works in a following steps. So step number 1, initially left and local. Local is nothing but as consider pivot points to the first element of array and right points to the last element of array. So to begin with, we set local as a 0, left hand side the index size of array 0 and right hand side index size as a 5. So 25 is our pivot element as well as our left hand side element as a I. Then 10, 30, 15, 20 and 28. Next, since local points at left, so algorithm start from right and move towards left, as well as we can apply these types of situation. Here local is nothing but consider as a I. So I as well as array of local less than a of right. So algorithm move right one position toward left as. સો આ જ એક્ઝામ્પલ મેં તમને ક્વિકશોર્ટથી સોલ્વ કરાવડાવ્યું છે, તો તમે આગળ જોશો તો વધારે આઈડિયા આવશે. નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ નંબર 3, for the right hand side, now local position array as a 4, left hand side 0 and right hand side 4. So as a of local greater than a of right, so algorithm swap these two data and local points at a right hand side. This is our nothing but the step number 4. And here step number 5, it's considered as our left and right position. So here location as index size 4, left hand side 2 and right hand side 4. So step number 6, we have to get these types of data in an array 20, 10, 25, 15, 30 and 28. 7 number step, we get the position about this data as a local 2, left hand side 2, right hand side 3. And then step number 8, we have to get as well as obtain, since local points at the left, so algorithm start from right and move towards left. And finally we get both position at a time. So here 25 is our nothing but we get a final position of pivot. So 25 is our pivot element, and 20, 10, 15 is a smaller than pivot, 30 and 28 is a higher than pivot. So 25 is our correct position. Here this all data as a left hand side, so smaller than pivot, and here 30 and 28 is a right hand side data of pivot, so this is a greater than pivot. Now the division of two parts, here 25 is a middle as a pivot and 20, 10, 15 as a left hand side, 30 and 28 is right hand side, and apply the follow step. same as our performing in our previous video lecture, as well as using this array. So next, procedure quickshot algorithm step. So this is our algorithm about a quickshot. So LB is nothing but a lower bound of array, UB is upper bound of array, flag I, J, pivot are our temporary variable, and step 1 and 2 is considered as a check lower bound and upper bound. If lower bound less than upper bound, then we have to write I considered as a lower bound plus 1 and J as a UB. Select a first element as a pivot, and applying this step from the array. So pivot as a array LB, then perform the sorting, and this step follow repeat the while step number 6, so and so. So dear all students, this is the algorithm step about quickshot. Thank you.